everyone, in this video we'll be going to show you how to prepare a pineapple kesari bath. Before going further, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications on our future uploads. Now to start with, I will take a cup of chiroti rava and I will dry roast this in medium flame until it releases its aroma. Once it's done, just keep it aside. Now I will take 4 to 5 spoons of clarified butter. Then I will add half a cup of cashews, half a cup of raisins. Now roast this in a medium flame until everything turns brown. Now add a cup of pineapple paste. Just make sure that pineapple is not sour. Now add a cup of diced pineapples and cook for 2 minutes. Now add a cup of sugar and you can add a bit more if you like more sweetness in the cuisine. And now cook for 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame and then add 2.5 cups of water and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Once the water starts to boil, add a small spoon of cardamom powder and add the roasted rava very slowly into the dish, otherwise it will form the lumps. Now close the lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame. It's ready there. Now transfer everything into a serving bowl and serve hot. It will just melt like an ice cream in your mouth. And that's it for this video, folks. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications on our future uploads. Thank you.